Hello everyone, welcome to Everything Better. Today we are going to review the Inalsa Nutrifry digital air fryer, which comes with 8 preset functions, 4 liter capacity and consumes 1400 watts of power. First, let's take a look at its features. You can adjust the temperature of Inalsa Nutrifry from 40 to 200 degrees Celsius and the timer up to 60 minutes. The air fryer basket has a removable inner tray and it measures about 21 cm in diameter. In Philips, however, the inner tray is a basket with a handle, which is in fact a better design than Inalsa. In Inalsa, when tossing French fries or stir-fried vegetables, the tray moves and the fries fall at the bottom of the tray. The preset functions of the air fryer are fries, frozen fries, chops, steak, fish, prawns, baking and roasting. One of the main drawbacks we found with the air fryer is in its preset functions. They don't work as they ought to. The time and temperature setting for frozen fries, steak and chops are all the same. 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes, which is grossly insufficient. But the recipe book gives more accurate instructions and hence following it gives better result than relying on preset functions. Coming to the air fryer's performance, when you cook by setting the time and temperature on your own, the results are pretty good. We were able to fry half kilo of chicken cut to small pieces in about half an hour. We had mixed corn flour with masala while marinating the chicken to retain the succulence inside and have a crispy exterior. We kept it on the tray and drizzled a tablespoon of oil on it. It took 20 minutes on the first side and about 13 minutes on the other. Comparatively, Inalsa's cooking time is a tad more than Philips. But the results are quite satisfactory as the chicken did not get too dry. We fried fish using the fish preset function, but the surface did not become as crispy as we would have liked. So we had to cook it longer. After that, the insides was well cooked and succulent and the texture appearance was crispy. Similarly, French fries too took more time than the preset function setting. To make 400 grams of French fries, it took us almost 20 minutes. The preset function for baking runs the air fryer for just 8 minutes, which is not enough. But in the recipe booklet, it says to run the air fryer for 35 minutes. And yes, when you run the air fryer for 35 minutes, the cake comes out beautifully. To standardize our test, we used Pillsbury cake mix and the cake was spongy with a beautiful crust. Cleaning is also fairly easy. You just have to soak the tray in soapy water and clean using a soft plastic scrub. So to conclude, in Inalsa, cooking takes a bit more time and the preset functions don't work optimally. The tray too could be a bit tricky to handle. But considering the excellent cooking performance and budget-friendly pricing, it's an excellent value for money option worth considering. If budget is not a concern and if ease of use and quick cooking are your priority, you could opt for Philips instead. The link to the detailed review on our website and product purchase links are given in the description box. Please check it out. Thanks for watching.